Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to clear files history in Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to clear files history in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on install, type here File Explorer. After click on File Explorer, after click on View, and here click Option. After click on Clear, click on Apply and click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to clear files history in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.